Have you ever just stopped and looked at the world around you? I mean, really looked. At a rock, at your own hand, and wondered, how does this all hold together? Everything is made of these countless, tiny, separate little particles. So what's stopping it all from just, poof, dissolving into dust?
It's a really fundamental question when you think about it. We've got trillions upon trillions of individual atoms, each with its own bits and pieces, all buzzing around. What is the organizing principle here? What tells them all to cooperate, to act together as one single coherent thing?
Well, according to the Harmonic Scale Framework, the answer is a field called K3, and you should think of it less like a force and more like a conductor, the conductor of a vast cosmic orchestra, making sure every single particle is playing its part in perfect harmony.
Okay, so let's get into what that actually means. The source material calls K3 the collective field. Now, this isn't some kind of cosmic superglue, it's a wave channel. Think of it like a shared rhythm that gets everyone in sync, locking individual particles into this coordinated dance, forcing them to behave as one unified system.
This analogy of a cosmic orchestra is actually the perfect way to picture it. So imagine the particles of matter. That's K1. They're the musicians. The light and the energy they use, which is K2, well, those are their instruments. In this picture, K3 is the conductor. It's that unifying signal making sure everybody is playing the same song at the exact same time.
So, to really understand our conductor, we need to see where it stands in relation to all the other players in this cosmic symphony. Let's meet the whole orchestra of fields.
The Harmonic Scale Framework lays out these 5 fundamental wave channels, and you can see K3 is sitting right there, smack dab in the middle. It's basically the bridge, connecting the fast, local stuff like matter and light, K1 and K2, with the slower, more global fields. You've got K4 acting like the stage crew, handling stability, and K5, which is kind of like the universe's metronome, setting the timing for everything. K3 is the bridge that links them all.
In this central role, it all comes down to one thing: speed. Pure, mind-boggling speed. The K3 field vibrates at over 1 billion trillion times per second. I mean, just look at the chart. That is significantly faster than both the matter field, K1, and even the light field, K2.
And here is the absolute crucial point. K3 vibrates twice as fast as light. Because its reaction time is quicker than literally everything else, matter, electromagnetism, you name it, it can coordinate their behavior in real time. It's always one step ahead, and that is what makes it the conductor.
Okay, so we know K3 is fast, the fastest thing on the block. But what does it actually do? Let's look at some real, concrete examples of this conductor in action, from the very art of an atom to the world we can actually touch.
Basically, anywhere you find separate parts acting as a single unified whole, that's K3 at work. It's the field that locks quarks together to form a proton. It's what binds protons and neutrons together to make a nucleus. It even organizes electrons into those stable orbitals and holds atoms together in the rigid structure of a solid, like a crystal. It's one channel, creating coherence at every single scale.
One of the most powerful pieces of evidence for K3 comes from just comparing a proton to a neutron. A proton is incredibly stable. Why? Because its internal waves are in perfect harmony, a clean, beautiful ratio. It's like a perfect musical chord. But a free neutron, on the other hand, its ratio is just a little bit off, a little mismatched. It's dissonant. And that disharmony makes it unstable, causing it to decay. So stability, it seems, is literally a product of perfect resonance.
And K3 doesn't just bind things together. It's an architect. It's what defines the specific shapes and orientations of atomic orbitals. For example, the reason a p orbital has those 3 distinct lobes isn't random. It's because the K3 field has 3 sector modes at that particular level. This underlying structure is what ultimately determines all of chemistry.
Now, I know this might all seem very abstract, subatomic fields and wave channels, but K3 is something we all experience, literally every single day. Let's bring this down from the quantum world to our own senses.
The source material has this beautifully simple way of putting it. K1 is matter, you can touch it. K2 is light, you can see it. And K3, the collective motion it creates, well, that's something you can feel. It's heat.
So, when you feel the warmth coming off of an object, what you are actually sensing is the collective coordinated vibration of all of its atoms. This shared jiggling motion, which physicists call a phonon, is a pure manifestation of the K3 field. The feeling of heat is your body directly perceiving the K3 conductor at work. It's amazing.
This reveals another one of its absolutely crucial jobs. K3 is the bridge that allows light and matter to communicate. When sunlight warms your skin, the K3 field is acting as the translator, turning the energy from the photons of light into the coordinated vibration of atoms that we feel as heat.
So, when we zoom out, we can start to appreciate the grand symphony that K3 is conducting all around us, shaping the very fabric of our physical world. From the stability of the atomic nucleus, which makes our existence possible in the first place, to the chemistry that governs our bodies, to the stiffness of the materials we build our world with, K3 is the architect. It's the hidden principle of organization that allows for complex, stable structures to exist at every scale.
And ultimately, this all leads to a really profound conclusion. The solid, tangible world we perceive isn't fundamental. It's an emergent property. The real foundation of reality is a set of interacting, vibrating wave channels, and the stable structures we see are just the result of their perfect, resonant harmony.
So, the universe isn't just a collection of random parts, it's a symphony. And that leaves us with a final, fascinating question. If K3 really is the conductor, what song is our universe playing?